about normative and positive economics. In this, we will study about the understand the expectation and the policy of in this class by review the course syllabus. Buddhism is a pattern knowledge about economics that we might already have, as well as question you have study about the subject. Understand and identify the basic concept of economic by exploring the concept of scarcity, microeconomics, macroeconomics, positive and normative economics, as well as 7 basic principles of economy. Let us start. An economic way of thinking. Our economic way of thinking involve analyze situation and decision making through the lens of the economic principle and concept. Some key aspects of an economy way of thinking include opportunity cost, considering the trade-off and alternatives when making decision, scarcity, recognizing them that resources are limited and choices must be made, supply and demand, understanding how market equilibrium, price and are determined, marginal analysis, evaluating the decision based on the marginal cost, efficiency, striving for the optimal outcomes and minimizing waste, incentives, understanding how rewards and patent and penalties influence behavior, rational choice, making decision based on logical reasoning and evidence, comparative advantage in identifying areas of specialization and trade, economic system, understanding different systems such as market economic and command economy, critical thinking, objectively analyzing information and argument. By adopting the economic way of thinking, individual can make more informed decisions in their personal and professional lives and better understanding the complexities of the economy and market. Next is what is economy and what is economics and economy. Economics is a social science that studies the production, distribution, and consumption of the goods and service. It examines how individual, business, government, and society make choice about how to allocate resources to meet their unlimited wants and needs. Economy refer to the system of production, distribution, and consumption of goods and service within a society or region. It includes the institution, organization, and individual involved in economic activities. In other words, economic is the study of the economic system in behavior. Economy refer to the actual system of the structure being studied. Think economic is the science that help us understand how car can work. Economy is the car itself with all its component and system. There are different types of economy such as market economy, command economy, mixed economy, and traditional economy. And different economic systems such as capitalist, socialism, communism. I hope this helped. Let me know if you have I think that you have understand about this. Now there are some basic concepts such as scarcity, opportunity cost, supply and demand, resource, production, consumption, market, price, goods and service, economic system, economic growth, inflation, unemployment, fiscal policy, monetary policy. Let us study about it. Scarcity, the fundamental economic problem of unlimited want and limited resource. Opportunity cost, the cost of choosing one option over another. Supply and demand, the price and quantity of goods and service are determined by the interaction of the supply and demand. Resources, input used to produce goods and service such as labor, capital and natural resource. Production, the process of creating goods and services. Consumption, the use of goods and service to satisfy want and need. Market, a place where buyer and seller interact to exchange goods and service. Price, the amount paid for the goods or service. Goods and services, tangible and intangible things that satisfy wants and needs. Economic system, the way society organize their economies, such as capitalist socialism and mixed economies, economic growth, and increase in the production of the goods service in the economy over time, inflation, a sustained increase in the general price level of the goods and service, unemployment, the number of people are able and willing to work but unable to find employment, fiscal policy, government spending, taxation and influence of economy, monetary policy, central bank control of the money and interest rate to influence economy. These concepts form the foundation of the economic analysis and decision making. What is scarcity? Scarcity is a fundamental concept in the economy that refers to the limited availability of the resource to satisfy unlimited want and needs. In other words, scarcity means that the need and wants of an individual are unlimited, but the resources available to fulfill those needs and wants are limited. Scarcity applied to the resources, land, labor, capital, and raw material are limited. Goods and service, the quantity of goods and services produced is limited. Time is scarce, and the people must prioritize how to allocate their time. Scarcity lead to trade-off. Choice must be made between alternative opportunity costs, the cost of choosing one option over another, economic decision. Scarcity forces individual, business and government to make decisions about how to allocate resource and efficiency. Scarcity is the driving force behind economic activity, innovation and the progress. It motivates individuals and societies to produce and innovate, specialize and trade, conserve and optimize resources, make choice and prioritize. Scarcity is a universal concept that applies to all aspects of life, not just economy. It's a fundamental principle that shapes human behavior and decision making. Micro vs macroeconomics. Microeconomics and macroeconomics are the two branches of the economic that study the different aspects of the economic activity. Study individual economic units such as household, firm, market, analyze decision making process regarding resource allocation, price determination, output level. Focus on individual market and industries. Examine how individual economic unit responds the change in market. Macroeconomics study the economy as a whole, focusing on the aggregate economic variables, economic growth and development, inflation and deflation, unemployment and employment. Analyze factors affecting the overall economy such as fiscal policy, government spending and taxation, monetary policy, central bank action, international trade and finance. Examine the economy overall performance and structure. Key difference: microeconomics looks at individual trees while macroeconomics looks at the entire forest. Microeconomics focus on individual decision making while macroeconomics examine overall economic trend and outcomes. But both micro and macroeconomics are essential for understanding the economy and making informed decisions. Positive versus normative economics. Positive economic and normative economic are two approach to economic analysis. Positive economics focus on describing and analyzing the economic phenomena as they are, seek to understand the underlying mechanism and relationship, aim to explain the economic event and behavior, use empirical evidence and data to test hypothesis. Examples: the unemployment rate is 5%, the inflation rate is 2%, the demand of household increase when interest rate falls. Normative economics focus on prescribing what should be or what is desirable, involve the value judgment and opinions, aim to evaluate the economic outcomes and policies, essential and moral framework to recommend a policy. Example: the government should reduce the tax to boost the economic growth, the minimum wage should be increased, to reduce poverty. The economy should prioritize environmental sustainability over growth. Key difference: positive economic aim to describe and explain, while normative economic aim to prescribe and evaluate. Positive economic is neutral and objective, while normative economic is subjective and value based. Both positive and normative economic are essential in understanding the economy and informing economic decision. Economic principles. Here we are going to discuss about the 7 basic principles of economics. People face trade-off. Everyone face the decision that put one option above the other, especially regarding efficiency and equity, opportunity cost, the cost of something that is you give up to get it, which is the choice between two alternatives. Rational thinking. People make decision when they think at the margin or around the edge of a plan of action. Incentive inspire consumer to act by offering up an extra reward to change behavior. Trade can be positive for all parties involved, focusing on what they are best at. Market are good way to organize economic activity, with decision made collective by the household and firm. Scarcity is negotiation comes from having a scarce resource that other wants. Thank you. In this we have studied about positive economic and normative economic, microvets, macroeconomics. The main aim of this class, this lecture, is to tell you about positive